Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review Amazon's 20 Premium Kitchen Gadgets 2025, high-performance tools you must see, that make cooking faster, easier, and smarter. Backhand index pointing right if you enjoy product reviews and Amazon finds. Make sure to subscribe for more. So let's start. Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. 5-star design. The soft grip TPU handle ensures controlled chopping, while the non-skid rubber base keeps the BPA-free veggie chopper steady on any surface, wet or dry. The built-in catch tray keeps counters clean and mess-free. Touchscreen toaster. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Wall Touchscreen Toaster. This sleek 2-slice stainless steel toaster features a smart digital touchscreen with an easy-to-read timer and sound alerts for perfect results every time. Its extra-wide slots fit bagels, thick bread, and more, while the bagel, cancel, and defrost functions give you total control. Modern, stylish, and built for precision. This silver wall toaster makes every morning smarter and more delicious. Smart Coffee Table. Upgrade your home with the Cosé Rustic Farmhouse Cottagecore Coffee Table. Herb featuring a natural tray top and handcrafted finish, this versatile sofa table is perfect for family, dining, or living rooms, even in small spaces. Add a touch of modern rustic charm today. Kitchen Tweezers. Durability material, easy on your hand. Jetcom kitchen tweezers are made of high-quality food-grade stainless steel, resistant to rust and corrosion, non-toxic, uncoated. Dishwasher safe. The thickened kitchen tweezers are very sturdy, tough, and durability, while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Ergonomic design. Our cooking tweezers design with comfortable ergonomic shape, using a comfortable handle, long cooking tweezer to protect your movements. The tip blunt enough to be safe to touch or even press, and holds the food securely, minimizing the risk of food slipping and sliding. Multi-purpose usages. This tweezer tongs is great for kitchen, restaurants, buffets, weddings, parties, and more. Perfect for cooking, roasting, grabbing small objects, pharmacy purpose, pulling out hair, electrical repairing, crafting. Even the food tweezers can be used for feeding small animals, cleaning out a garden or fish tank, plant maintenance. Honey dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser. A stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless. The glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Electric sandwich maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet pressed sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Hamilton Beach electric hand mixer. No more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer neatly holds the 2 beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes, with 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it. This electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Hot Air Corn Popper. Introducing the Cuisinart Easy Pop Hot Air Popcorn Maker, your new go-to for fast, healthy snacking. This compact machine uses powerful hot air instead of oil, giving you light, fluffy popcorn in just a few minutes. It produces up to 10 cups per batch, perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or after-school snacks. Just add kernels, flip the switch, and watch fresh popcorn flow straight into your bowl. Easy to use, easy to clean, and designed for healthier snacking, the Cuisinart Easy Pop makes homemade popcorn fun, quick, and delicious. Lunch Container Set. Meal prep, food storage portion control. Revolutionize your meal prep routine with these versatile meal prep containers, glass with lids. Ideal for crafting meals, portioning food, and maintaining structured nourishment throughout your bustling week. Designed to fit lunch bags, these adult lunch containers are suitable for picnics, office meals, or lunches on the go. Cook and bake in conventional ovens up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, lid off, for delicious homemade creations that go from oven to table effortless. Your all-in-one glass food container set. Embrace meal preparation organization with this 4-pack variety set. It includes 2 of our 2-compartment and 2 of our 3-compartment food container style glass bento boxes for adults with airtight lids. Portion management has never been this convenient. Each of the glass meal prep containers with lids holds up to 32 ounces, offering managed servings for your nutritional planning needs. Swivel Vegetable Peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology. Will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. Traveling Slow Cooker. Introducing the Presto 06017 Nomad Traveling Slow Cooker. Your portable solution for cooking and serving meals on the go. With a large 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for family gatherings, tailgates, potlucks, road trips, and parties. The locking lid and spill-proof design keep food secure during travel, while the built-in handle makes carrying easy and convenient. Inside, the non-stick pot cooks soups, stews, roasts, chili, pasta, and more low and slow for rich, flavorful meals. When you arrive, just open, serve, and enjoy. With a rugged cooler-style exterior and simple controls, the Nomad keeps food hot and transport hassle-free. Water Splash Guard. Transform your sink space with the 30-inch premium kitchen sink silicone water splash guard. Now in an ultra-wide size upgrade and a new, improved package. Made in Korea, this eco-white splash guard keeps your countertops perfectly dry and spotless. No more messy water spills, just clean, sleek protection without suction cups. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone. Wondrous Tea Magic Pot. Add a touch of magic to your tea time with the Mactano Enchanty Teapot. This 600 ml enchanted glass teapot comes with a built-in strainer for perfect brewing every time. Its witchcraft-inspired design creates a mystical vibe, making it ideal for cozy evenings or magical tea rituals. Vacuum Sealer Machine. Mega reliable 2 hearts, we treat you like family, and your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated team is just 1 click away, ready to assist you. Mega Power 2 hearts save your energy. Effortlessly preserve your food. With its 80 kilopascals powerful suction and high-grade heating wire, our MegaWise vacuum food sealer delivers an optimum vacuum seal in just 10 to 20 seconds. Keep your food fresh up to 5 times longer, and avoid wasting meals by throwing them in the trash due to ice crystal buildup in the fridge. Mega functional 2 hearts save your precious time. Simplify the process. Our built-in sliding cutter is intuitively designed for you to quickly achieve a smooth customized bag, eliminating the need for external cutters. Plus, with its sleek and compact design, it's as easy to use as it is to store. Titanium Cutting Board. 2-in-1 Cutting Board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, with one side made of food-grade 99.9% pure titanium for cutting raw and cooked meat, and the other side made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruit. High-quality titanium cutting board completely improves the shortcomings of traditional cutting boards. Traditional cutting boards are prone to cutting gaps, leaving food residues at the gaps and absorbing odors and other minor problems. Easy to clean. The material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board in time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable round on the cutting board for easy car. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one mixing bowl set. This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids has everything you need for mixing, prepping, grating, and serving, all in one stylish khaki design. You'll get 6 different bowl sizes: 7, 4, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1 quart, perfect for everything from tossing salads to whipping batter. Each bowl comes with a tight seal lid to keep your food fresh, plus grater attachments that make slicing and prepping effortless. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady while you mix, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving guests, this mixing bowl set brings convenience, organization, and style to every cooking experience. Infrared oven. Reduce bad cholesterol. The American Heart Association recommends that one way to reduce the saturated fats in meats is to use a rack to drain off the fat when cooking. That is precisely how Pro Plus 2 cooks. A 60-day trial has shown that 75% of participants effectively decreased their cholesterol levels when doing nothing but cooking with the New Wave oven. Family size capacity. Whether cooking for one or a family, the Pro Plus 2 is the perfect companion. Whether air frying a small fillet of salmon or roasting a whole 10 pounds. Turkey, Pro Plus 2 has the capacity and the versatility to cook a delicious meal for one or entire meal for the family with ease. One oven meals. Say goodbye to the hassle of preparing multiple batches. You can now cook multiple dishes all at the same time in the Pro Plus 2. Prepare a main course, sides, desserts, and more all together. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a Strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Electric food processor and vegetable chopper. Stack and snap technology for easy assembly. With this well-designed food processor, you can skip frustrating, awkward assembly. Stack Snap technology provides easy assembly and removes the need for difficult twist locking. 12-cup sealed bowl. Most food processors are too small for large processing jobs. This 12-cup sealed bowl fits large volumes of food all at once. And since it's sealed in the center, there's no messy leaks or spills to clean up after processing. Slice, shred, chop, mix and puree with 2 versatile attachments. This large food processor and vegetable chopper includes a chopping/pureeing blade and reversible stainless steel slicing/shredding disc, so you can tackle every job with ease. Easy to clean. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup, and all food zones are BPA-free for peace of mind.